If you were a judge on a televised talent contest, you'd pick the best people from a sea of eager applicants to mentor. Imagine choosing someone with an amazing singing voice who blew you away during auditions. When it came to reaching those high notes, they'd be second to none. But what if you also needed them to be a great dancer, but busting moves was completely outside their comfort zone? How could you convince them to stretch themselves and develop new skills to make them a stronger contestant? Whatever industry you're in, it's likely your employees want to do the best possible job they can. In order to encourage employees to grow, you need to help them step outside that comfort zone, take appropriate risks, and acquire new skills and responsibilities. This will lead to a flexible, confident workforce while preventing teams from becoming stagnated and disengaged. So, whether you're teaching a soprano to do the robot or asking team members to branch out and acquire new skills, get ready to learn how to encourage employee stretch.